Hello and welcome back to another video on the Garner Collective YouTube channel. How's everyone doing today? In today's video, we're going to feed Rio the cat some human food which he does enjoy to eat. And that food is green giant corn, marrow fat peas, and also a meat stick. And Rio loves eating these, don't you, Rio? Don't you, Rio? That's why he's going a bit wild now, because he knows he loves his corn and his peas. So let's prepare that food now then. Ready? Okay, then let's begin. So first, we're going to give Rio some marrow fat peas. At the moment now I'm cooking for myself as well on my Tefal pressure cooker. If you want to see the videos on that, they're in my description as well, in the channel as well, if you want to see those. So here we go, let's give them some peas. And now for some corn. I also need to feed myself these as well, that's why I've opened it. So let's put a few peas into the Tefal pressure cooker with the sushi Chinese rice, which is fantastic. And that brown stuff is actually onion gravy, which blends into the rice. And a few peas as well, and some corn in there. That will do. There's a lot in there. So now we need to add some water into the pressure cooker from Tefal. So let's do that now. Right, then I'm back. So our meals were in fact similar, aren't they? Except for I haven't put rice into Rio's food. Just corn as well. So we're going to still prepare Rio's food as well as my own. So I've added water to the pot. I'm now going to put on the trays like this, and then the other holder for food. And I put 2 small sticks of celery in there. And for people who don't eat pork like myself, if you go to get a brand called Melisse, they do either chicken sausages or chicken and beef sausages, and they are halal. There's no pork at all in these. So I'll just add 2 of these into the food, like that, and let's close the lid. And then let's add the rest of the food to Rio's food himself. So let's add some lamb meat sticks. Rio, come on. Right then, so that's that done. Rio. So now, as you can see now, we put the food into the pressure cooker, and that's green giant corn, marrow fat peas, and also the Melisse halal sausages in chicken and beef. That's all in there at the moment. Come here, Rio. So it's done. So now what we need to do now is turn it on. Rio, keep still. Sit still. So turn it on now. That's turned on. We can say about 7 minutes. So to program this Tefal pressure cooker, it's going to be DIY mode for the standard mode. It only goes up to 6, as you can see on here, and it goes back to 1 again. So to get the extra numbers on there, we need to be able to go into other settings. Wait. So here we go. So DIY mode, like I said, only goes up to 6, as you know, if you've got this sort of pressure cooker. So what we need to do now is press the 1 in the middle, like that, and you can go up to as high as you want, or down to sub 7 on here at the moment. So there we go. And there's Rio as well next to the pressure cooker. Rio, 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 look, meat stick. Rio, meat stick. Okay, so now I'm going to give Rio his food. So as you can see on his food, he's got marrow fat peas and green giant sweet corn with lamb meat sticks. So Rio, to show you that the cat eats human food and it's good for him, let's put it here. Rio, come on. Come on, eat it, only. There we go. So now we're going to put the push cooker on, like I said. So let's go again to DIY mode, up to 6, and there, press the button, down to 7, press the manual start, and there we go. And that's now going to heat up the Tefal pressure cooker up to temperature to boil the water, and it will begin now to prepare the food with steam, making it very nice. And it's a lot quicker than a normal microwave or a standard oven. So let's look at Rio eating his food. So cats do eat corn because most of their food is actually corn processed. So he's having all that as well. There we are. It's an amazing machine, this Tefal pressure cooker is, and there's a few videos on my channel for people who want to see in full about how it works and so on. I'm now going to put this on the ground because the noise is going to scare him. So come on, Rio, come on, come on. Here we go. And that's it then. So this is the Tefal pressure cooker again. Very good, had it for about a year now, perfect for cooking in. And thanks for your time and patience. If you want to see any more of these videos on Tefal, just go into my videos and type in Tefal and you will see that they will come up. And I've done pretty good as well for showing people how to cook. And a lot of them do show the cheat sheet on how to cook, what settings to put it on and what things can be done in it. So it has been a very good machine and I'm very pleased with it. So thanks for your time and patience. Please subscribe to the channel if you like it. And that's it then. Thank you for your time and goodbye.